How to connect Soundpad to Discord. Now, the very main thing that you'll have to do first is to configure the specific external devices that you connected over into your PC and configure it via your Soundpad. And from your Discord, all you have to do is to log in into your account and then go into your user settings. Now, at the left portion of your screen, just simply scroll down, and then under app settings, you need to choose on voice and video. Now, before you go ahead and link and match all the input devices and output devices that you have from Discord and as well as from your Soundpad, you need to make sure first that the specific microphone that you attach to your PC or laptop is actually detecting. If it detects, it will automatically be listed one of the options right here, and you're just gonna make sure that you're connecting or you using one single microphone from Discord and from your Soundpad as well. And that is how you connect Soundpad to Discord.